Hi there, I'm Aria, and welcome to Jarvis Home Hub. This is the channel where complete beginners learn to use AI, with zero jargon and zero assumptions about what you already know. Whether you've never touched AI in your life, or you've tried it and didn't get on with it, you're exactly in the right place. Right then, let's get into today's video. Save this video. These 10 prompts will cover 90% of what you need AI to do. Right, let's talk about summarizing anything. Imagine you're reading a long article on the web, and you want to understand the main idea in just a sentence or two. That's basically what an anything prompt is, a way for AI to take any piece of text and extract the most important bits. Now, let's say you want to explain something simply. For instance, imagine you're writing a blog post about AI for beginners, and you want to make sure your readers understand the basics without getting bogged down in technical jargon. That's where an Explain It Simply prompt comes in, helping AI generate clear, concise language. Now that we've talked about summarizing and explaining, let's get practical. If you're feeling stuck when writing your AI prompts, remember that the key is to be specific and clear. Ask yourself what kind of output you want from your AI, and craft a prompt that gets it just right. If you're struggling to come up with ideas for your AI prompts, don't worry, we've all been there. A Give Me Ideas prompt can help spark some creativity, and there are loads of ways to do it. For example, try brainstorming with a friend, or using online tools like language generators. Now, let's say you've written your AI prompt, but it's not quite right. That's where an Fix My Writing prompt can come in handy, helping you refine and improve your request until you get the desired output. If you want to generate text for a specific purpose, like writing a story or creating content for your blog, an Generate Text prompt can be incredibly useful. Just remember to specify the style, tone, and format of the output. If you need to translate text from one language to another, an Translate Text prompt is a must-have. Just remember to specify the source and target languages, as well as any nuances of the translation. If you want to summarize a video or article, an Summarize Video prompt can be really helpful. Just remember to specify the content and tone of the summary. Let's have a look at what else you can do with AI. Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more.